Happy Christmas, everybody, and a very warm welcome from me, Angela, to you guys today. Now, as promised, I wanted to share with you my completed Christmas journal before Christmas arrived. So this is what this video is all about. So if this is your very first time joining my channel, I want to wish you a very big welcome and hello. And yeah, please have a look at the full playlist for this journal if you'd like to have a look at the individual details or you'd like to have a go at making one of these. So yeah, very warm welcome, and I hope that you're all excited to see how it's turned out. Now I have got a few details for you. I've added a tassel. I will add the details to the playlist of how I make tassels. I've done that before a few times, so there we go, simple enough. We've done the cover, we've done all just about everything in here I have covered in the tutorials, including the cover and most 99.9% of the projects. So let's go and take a look. Right, all the fabrics, the ribbons, the lace, and buttons and things, all the adornments, they come from my website shop, which I had on offer this past year from October, November and December. It's all gone now, I'm afraid, but yeah, it was very, very nice to have everything in one bundle. And if you don't know me already, I put together the ultimate bundles, all the individual ribbon, lace or fabric bundles for you to purchase along with the digitals to make any of the projects that I make. And I would like to thank everybody for all the support, kind comments, and wonderful just encouragement that you give me all year through. It makes all of this so worthwhile, and I feel like I have the best job in the world. Right, I'm going to get cracking. This is a 9-inch length, my journal is 6.5 inches this way, and the spine is 3.5 inches. All right, so that's the dimensions for that. I've just put my distress ink here to prop it up. It has 2 signatures and it is full, as you can see, very chunky, but that's how I like it. All in all, back and fronts, you're looking at about 100 pages in here. So yeah, lots to see. Right, so I'm going to take off the tassel, and I've just added all the bits and pieces I had left over. And I've added in some bells on that cord as well. So there we go, that's the tassel. Put that to the side. Right, we made the cover and you saw me do that. So yeah, let's have a look. I've put on my closure, which is this beautiful 2-meter ribbon that was in your ribbon bundle. So that's what we're going to have a look at over there. Let me take this out the way. Okay, so I'm going to just stand it like this and we'll open this up. I love this ribbon, it's really amazing. Okay, so let's go and peek inside and look at all the memories we made together with the vintage Christmas journal. Yeah, so it lies nice and flat, it's a hard cover. Now we made a pouch for one of the tutorials, and that's also on the playlist. It's got a little concertina pocket. I've put whatever I haven't managed to fit in this journal in there. So if I want to add or remove or take things out or whatever, that's the storage unit. Sounds like IKEA when you say unit, doesn't it? Okay, so here is the very first journal page, as you can see. I've added these little bits with fabrics. I've made a lot of little ruffles and added what I had left over, so I absolutely adore that page. Right, so we've got our background pages. We did page wraps. Beautiful. I'm not going to pull out everything. I showed you where I stuck all these little individual advent dates, and you'll see them as we go along. Not every single page has something on like that, so this is the project I did for Rach and Bella's Christmas collaboration. It was lovely. There we go. Mine was fabric. Then we've got a little half page here where I've added some goodies in. I love that. Lots of little snippets and things going on. You can make so many notes and add so many photographs for any of the days in December and add them to this journal. And I think December is a time where you have lots of lists and things. Well, I sure do. Luckily, I've ticked everything off and I'm on par. I added fabric behind those, so that's why I think they pop and they look amazing. Added lace to my altered Christmas pages there. And yeah, I really love it. It's come together. Lots of, this is the music page we did. This was my last project. This was a gorgeous one as well. These little reindeers and bits, I've used them all over. Really turned out well. There's a plain page. Little lace flowers. I've made those before. I've just added them with snippets of the fabric and lace as we went. We made this beautiful belly band with these tags that fit in over there. I quite enjoyed that one. I think every journal needs a belly band of some sort, doesn't it? These are the embossed pockets we made. I love doing that with book pages and music paper. That was fun. And again, I've added lace that was over to the pages because this is a vintage journal. I wanted to make sure I added everything that I had put aside for this. This was another lovely project I did for a center spread based on, her name's escaped me. I'll think about it in a minute. Crafting with scraps, that's who it is. There we go. Love this. A little exciting envelope we did together. Gotta have one of those, don't we? So I love that. This was a whole flip out that we did and really enjoyed this one as well. And I've got two of these in here. So these all open up and flip down and they're all decorated. And as I say, if you want to see the final details, you can go and have a look at the individual videos in the playlist. The link's in the description box. It's Corey Damon that I was referring to, that I based the crafting with scraps on. A little notepad, because you know there are lots of lists to be made. And another one, the other side of that music project that we did. I think I added a tag in there because I had one over. Lots of lace, beautiful. Added some stamping there. So pretty. These pockets we made with the music paper and the reading pages. I've just added a tag in there. And then these, this slides down. I only stuck the band on. And then you can see what's inside. So really handy. Nice and flat too. There is something that's flat in here after all. I tell you, I do. My mind goes wild when I'm making things, and then ultimately they don't always end up being flat. Okay, another one of these little just bits of pieces I had left over with a reindeer. And we're on to the second signature now. So another page wrap. Isn't he cute? Another one of those from Rachel's video collaboration. Love the fox. Nice writing paper, and these little bits on everywhere. Another one of those music sheets and somewhere to take your notes. I've added quite a few of these in on some of the pages. Those are those adornments I had, the vintage ones. Another one of these pop pockets. Stuck those everywhere. I spaced them out. Some more lace on the altered book page. One of these with some of the buttons. Another pocket with a large tag. And these. This is the center of that one again. Isn't that beautiful? I do love this kit. Christmas, we added some tinsel around that one, so make it a bit special. And then another window envelope project. Got a tag that fits in the back there. Altered page. Just love how the little fabric around the back with the gold bits just makes it pop out. Another one of those little belly bands here with a tag and goodies behind it. Beautiful ribbon. Here's something I did that I didn't share with you. I made this double pocket out of the tissue paper. So if you got an order from me, you would have received this tissue paper, most possibly. And I've made a double pocket with it. And I'll show you how to do that in the Anne journal. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? My new kit's out, Anne. And we'll be starting that in the new year. So pop on over to the website if you want to see the details or have a flip through, which was my last video. This is beautiful with the pockets. It undoes here and flips out. So yeah, always love making new projects, but I love revisiting my favorites as well. So this was a new project. I like that. And the other side of that music page, and again I just added an extra tag in there. Another one of those embossed window pockets, and lift that up a bit so you can see. We're getting to the end. More lace on the altered book page, and another little tuck spot I've just added there. And we've got that. I love those. Little decorative bit there with a lacy flower. Another one of those that all fold out. It's like a waterfall. And then there's the 31st. Just made a bit of collage with stamped snowflakes. And then another snowman with just a little bit of a die cut that I had left over. And that's the last. There we go. Look at that. Right, so there's the Christmas journal all done and dusted. And I'm thrilled that it's ready before the end of the year, not like last year. So yeah, I encourage you to finish off yours so that you've got it as well. So that we can move on to new projects in the new year. Now guys, I am going to not be putting out any videos now until the new year, but I do encourage you to carry on. My shop will be open, however the very next time I go to the post office will be Monday the 30th of December, where I take all the orders for the Anne bundles in. So anything that you have ordered, and bundles or printed kits or whatever, doesn't matter what it is, I will be going to the post office Monday the 30th of December, and I'm going to have a bit of a break because got Christmas, and then I'm busy preparing for all the orders to be packed. So I'm still busy, but as soon as the end of the year, after the 1st, I'm going to just take a few days off, a week or so. Probably a week, and then we will get straight back to it. So thank you again for all your amazing support and kindness. Videos, whether you comment on my videos, whether you comment in the Facebook group or Instagram, or you support me in my shop, or just send me a lovely email, it all matters to me, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I hope that you have an amazing festive season. Doesn't matter whether you are a supporter of Christmas or you don't support Christmas, whatever your festive occasion is, because I know there's lots of other religions and festivals going on. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you again in the new year. Take good care of yourselves now. Bye-bye.